This is a devastating tragedy that has befallen the Reiner family.
Nick Reiner appeared very calm in court. He sat with his hands in his lap. His wrists were shackled.
The 32-year-old accused of murdering his parents wore a blue suicide prevention smock, which is common for defendants who pose a risk of self-harm.
He was behind glass, and his attorneys were standing in front of him.
The hearing lasted about 5 minutes, and Nick only spoke once when asked if he was okay with waiving his right to a speedy arraignment.
We are set for January 7th for an arraignment. That's the next court date.
Meanwhile, ET has obtained new surveillance footage of the suspect. That's Nick, eerily calm about 6 to 7 hours after the bodies of his parents were discovered Sunday afternoon. He can be seen pacing inside a gas station convenience store and carrying a red backpack. Before leaving, Nick gets in line to buy a bottled drink.
He was arrested in a public area.
Then there is this dramatic scene just moments later at around 9:15 p.m. Another surveillance video shows 3 vehicles approach Nick. He quickly puts his hands in the air.
He was approached by the officers and he was arrested without incident. There was no indication that he was going to resist or anything like that.
Also today, Rob and Michelle's other children, Jake and Romy Reiner, broke their silence. The two released a statement which made no mention of their brother Nick, saying, quote, "Words cannot even begin to describe the unimaginable pain we are experiencing," adding they weren't just our parents, they were our best friends. As for the double homicide investigation, here's the latest. This afternoon, the LA medical examiner revealed the cause of death for Rob and Michele. It's listed for both as multiple sharp force injuries. Prosecutors say Nick killed his parents with a knife. So where is it?
As to where and how the weapon was located or will be located, that will actually be evidence we'll present in court.
Can you give us a timeline of when you think the murders occurred?
We're waiting the coroner to be able to try and determine as best they can at this point time of death.
It also appears several hours had passed before the bodies were discovered, and they were not found together. After Romy discovered her father's body, the New York Times says she fled the home and was told later by a paramedic that her mother was also killed.
We ask that you allow the system to move forward with restraint and with dignity.